Good evening. It's Sunday, March 14th, and I am Chartnader from StockTradersChat.com. And I wanted to highlight for you tonight a chart on ENTB, Entest BioMedical Incorporated. Entest BioMedical is a company involved with the development of stem cell therapy treatments for chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, or COPD. They also deal in cancer immunotherapies, testing procedures, and stem cell research applications for other illnesses. And the company is also involved with medical device development, including stem cell extraction instrumentation. Currently, Entest is focused on research and development in areas of COPD and immunotherapeutic cancer vaccines. As highlighted in a webcast this week, the company showed applications for its patent-pending technologies in both human and animal venues. ENTB was first brought to everyone's attention at StockTradersChat.com right here when the stock was trading at 82.5 cents. The stock has received quite a bit of attention since then, as shown by this sharp angle of ascent. And one thing that I wanted to bring to your attention, notice these large green volume bars here. And on days where the candles are green, the candle bodies are green, and the stock has traded higher, you can see that these large volume bars coincide with those days. It's always very bullish when you see a huge increase in volume in days when a stock is trading higher. Okay, so you have large volume coming into the stock on days when the stock is closing positively. Okay, notice also this accumulation distribution line. It's right through the roof. This line is almost straight up. At StockTradersChat.com, you can also purchase a premium membership, which gives you access to stock seasonality. We qualify stocks long term and then give you the tools to be able to trade them short term. Members will recognize this very bullish setup. And so you have an emerald crossing here, a very steep accumulation distribution line, and large volume. Okay, and another thing that I wanted to highlight for you, I like to use an exponential moving average, a 2-day exponential moving average, and you can see that this stock has been closing just above the 2-day exponential moving average, which is extremely bullish. And the reason why I like to use an exponential moving average is because there's more weight given to recent trading, whereas in a simple moving average, you have equal weight given to each trading day. And so, I watch for stocks to stay above this 2-day pattern. Stock seasonality members will also recognize that the master is surfing here, and that the stock is currently in inertia. Okay, notice the CMF has gone from a negative value to a positive value, which usually predates a large move, and you can see that happening here. If I can back out of this and take you to a weekly view of Entest BioMedical, it was a great week for ENTB this week. The stock not only rose from 82.5 cents to just shy of $1.20 in the previous week, but this past week the stock was up 40%. And you can see the increasing volume. You can see that even in the weekly, the candle bodies are closing above the exponential 2-day moving average. You can see the very steep accumulation line here. Okay, and if I take you to a monthly chart on ENTB, you can see that Since it was brought up in the chat room at stocktraderschat.com, the stock is up 87%. Okay, so you have the stock up 87% for the month and 40% for the week, and the daily chart looks absolutely good to go on all indicators. With the master surfing and the stock in inertia, according to our stock seasonality setups, it looks like ENTB is poised for future growth. We will be watching this one, and we suggest that you watch it very closely as well. This was Chartnator with StockTradersChat.com, and you have a great evening.